Hey guys, I'm Kyra Stewart and I want to tell you about my favorite go-to face moisturizer, Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. My skin is so dry and sensitive every day. I really need that extra boost of moisture, and this cream is my skin savior. It's incredibly hydrating and it has the most amazing texture. It's whipped and luxurious while still feeling really lightweight. After cleansing, I just take a small amount of Ultra Repair Cream onto my fingertips and massage it into my face. One of my favorite things about this cream is that it absorbs straight into my skin without leaving a greasy residue, so I can apply and move on with the rest of my routine. What's amazing about this cream is you can also use it head to toe. It's formulated with colloidal oatmeal, which is the only FDA-approved over-the-counter ingredient for treating eczema. So if you experience irritated, red, scaly, or sensitive skin, or even eczema, this cream will be perfect for you. Or if you just want intense hydration and silky soft skin, you'll love it too. I mean, the results speak for themselves. This formula has been scientifically proven to more than double skin hydration immediately upon application. How amazing is that? Plus, in an independent clinical study, 100% of users reported a lasting improvement in skin dryness, and 100% said the cream helped soothe, moisturize, and condition skin. Not only does this Ultra Repair Cream leave my skin super soft and hydrated, I love that it has a clean formula too. It's allergy tested and free from petroleum, fragrances, alcohol, artificial colorants, parabens, and a bunch of other harsh chemicals on First Aid Beauty's no-no list. I've been using it morning and night before bed, and it's made a huge difference in my skin. I truly love it.